Most low back pain isn't about weak muscles. It's about disc pressure and poor control.
Strength without control doesn't protect your spine.
Here's the smarter fix.
Step 1. Restore low back motion. Gentle movement helps the spine feel safe again.
Motion reduces guarding and pressure.
Step 2. Reverse sitting stress.
This restores extension lost from sitting. Your spine needs extension to stay healthy.
Step 3. Rebuild strength the right way. This trains support, not stiffness.
Control plus strength creates lasting relief. Motion. Control. Then strength.
Fix the cause, not just the pain.
If you want a full plan to fix your low back pain for life, start here.